afternoon, for Activity 3, I chose to do my project over the Universal Design for Learning. So first I want to talk about what I kind of based my Kahoots game off of. And I found this great graphic on cast.org. And it talks about the 3 guidelines for the Universal Design for Learning. And here is the effective networks, the Y of learning, and its engagement. It's for purposeful, motivated learners, and it's for teachers to know how to stimulate interest in the motivation for learning, which is essential for student comprehension. And the next is the recognition networks, and it's the what of learning, and its representation for resourceful, knowledgeable learners. And this helps teachers present their information and content in different ways, meeting all needs. And lastly is the strategic networks, and it's the how of learning. It's the action and expression for strategic, goal-directed learners. And this helps teachers know how to differentiate the ways that students can express what they know. And this also goes into the different types of assessing student knowledge. And so I made a Kahoots game. And so I attached that link. And so you'll copy and paste it in your browser. And then I'll just go through a couple of the questions. But I based them off of that cast.org website, and I'll attach that as well. And so I'm just going to do the classic, and I have the Kahoot app on my phone, and so you'll just type in your game pin on your phone, and then your name will come up, and then this is the graphic that I chose to do my game, and it shows all the 3 different principles of UDL. And so the 3 principles of UDL: engagement, representation, and action expression, the why, what, and how. And so that's all of the above. And then what are the UDL guidelines? 9 instructional considerations for planning student learning, rules that teachers must follow, different ways that students can learn, or none of the above. I'm going to say this one. Okay, define barriers to instruction, because the barriers are what we're trying to overcome with the UDL. So I thought that was very important to put the definition for barriers to instruction in. So barriers that teachers place to encourage student strife, instructional strategies that encourage inclusion, or instructional components that prevent student learning. Okay, so I'm going to stop it there, but I hope you enjoy my game and your knowledge of the UDL is tested. Thank you.